Welcome back to my final more important analysis video with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets on Monday 18th of June. Looking at gold, what a big strong bear candle we saw on Friday. That's basically the big long-term pivot band that I constantly talk about between 1300 and 1310 again has played a massive role in the market turning lower. So having topped out below 1300 originally back in sort of May, we have had a bit of a consolidation, but that consolidation broke to the downside on Friday with a close below 1280. That top pattern implies around about 65 odd dollars of downside, which implies that 1236 low of December comes back into the game. And what we're now going to see, I think, is the market just edging lower. You've sort of seen this run of lower highs, low lows. You did see a consolidation that broke that downtrend, but I think this run of lower highs, low lows basically just continues now. And the market will just consolidate, possibly in the next sort of day or so, as sort of it unwinds a certain degree of that selling pressure. As the immediate near-term sort of technical indicators are unwound, as you can see, the RSI and the hourly just sort of got oversold and it's just unwound a slight amount. But I generally think this is going to be a bit of a consolidation before the next sort of move lower. So you then looking at your sort of overhead supply between 1282 and 1289. 1289 being this low here, and then 1282. So you've got this overhead supply. It gives you a nice little sell zone, I suppose, near term for a little bit of a technical rally to be sold into. Momentum indicators are negative across the board, 50 limiting the RSI. MACD lines crossing below neutral. Stochastics again accelerating lower around neutral to the downside. So all looks pretty much set up for selling into strength near term. And as I said, that top pattern target is 1236. You've got 1275 is your first support as Friday's low, but then you're looking at 1265 and 1265 and 1260 coming in as your sort of basis of support after that. And I think that's where we're sort of heading back to in the near term, once we've sort of got rid of this initial oversold momentum. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow.